So I just got these solar lights put up. It creates a little pathway for my dogs to have their bark wars. Delightful surprise here. They have different modes, so it can do strobe lights and stuff like that. So I'll show you that in just a second. The cool thing about this has a little extension down to the solar power so that it can collect its energy. It's been raining all day and I still got power here. So you saw that, that's constant light. So I come here and give it one click. And you see, on, off, on, off. Then give it another click. And yeah, I don't know, maybe if you're having a rave or something, you might like that. I don't think I'll ever be using that. And this one is maybe for Halloween. I don't know. What do you think? But it's pretty cool. It has these different modes. And of course, one more. And it's back to constantly on. It's also a power button, so you can just turn it off if you want. But yeah, pretty excited about my new lights. They're solar powered. Solar powered is the best because I would love for my lights in the backyard to be on all the time, but it costs a lot of energy, so I don't tend to have them on very often. But this will be great.
As you can see, I kind of taped it around the deck. Not the way I wanted to, but I'm still figuring out how to get it up there without having to tape it, because I just feel that it's gonna start coming off, like right there. But once I figure it out, it's going to look better. So that's what it looks like. They're on right now, but it's light out, so. And you see how long it is? It's not, I'm still missing a little bit there because they include that panel thing right here. So I think that's why it's not as long.
I also just wanted to give you a side-by-side because I did have some lights from my last Bonnaroo, but the brightness on these is unbelievable. I mean, these are single-handedly like keeping it bright, which is so cool. And you can tell like this has like a mega battery and panel on it, so it can just, I mean, like this looks like a tablet. It's huge, so they can really soak up some power. Whereas these do not do as much. Like these look more like Christmas lights, but they barely put off any brightness at all. And like, as I said before, this is how much of the room you can see with them. And then if I was to turn them off, it's pretty dark in here again. And like, these are pretty, don't get me wrong. But as far as actually putting off light that makes a big difference for you to be able to see around your campsite, these are where it's at. So thank you for the upgrade. We will treasure them. We love you.
If you love